Dames en heren, ladies and gents, welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. Today's video is going to be a very quick one. We're going to be making a delicious milktart milkshake. Now, I don't know about you, but I enjoy taking a stroll out late at night for a delicious snack from Burger King. But sometimes when I get there, they're closed. So I'm going to show you how to be making this delicious milktart milkshake at home. It's going to be a quick video, few minutes. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Okay, starting off, our ingredients are pretty simple. Grabbing some delicious, rich and creamy Ola vanilla ice cream, some cinnamon and some milk. That is going to be the gist of it, as well as some tennis biscuits. Now, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be making enough for 2 glasses. I'm using about a third of a tub. There we go, a little bit less than that. From here on out, I'm going to add about 4 or 5 tennis biscuits. Doesn't matter if they're broken or not. One teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And a half a cup of milk. Now, as slow as possible, we don't want to heat up the ice cream too much. Now look at the consistency. It's got some biscuits, some vanilla ice cream, some cinnamon, and that's it. You can add some condensed milk and stuff. Condensed milk. You can add some condensed milk and stuff if you want to change the consistency a bit, but there we go. And there we have it, quick and simple as I promised, the simplest milktart milkshake. You can be fancy, you can add some vanilla, some condensed milk and things like that, but this is just the base. This recipe is your oyster, do what you want, add some flavors, experiment with it. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.